So today I'm looking at oppositions and working the opposite sit bone down. So this pelvis is an example of what the hips look like. And you can see my ladies at the back are doing the short box series. So our challenge today is to keep the opposing hip down. When you keep the opposing hip down and you go the opposite way, you're going to open the side line in the fascia. And you're also, when you see the rotation, we're going to encourage that the rotation is actually starting from the opposing hip. Now, why do we know this works? Well, anybody who's going to ski will know every time you turn by transferring your weight from your spiral of your foot from one foot to the other will have a spiral effect right up through the bones. So if you've got impingement on the hip on one side, it's going to affect your rotation. Okay, so hands interlaced behind your head, ladies, up nice and tall. Now really find that tall line and think of the connection from the pubic bone to the nose and then the back of the head towards the sacrum. Let's start with the hinges. Off you go. Inhale to lean to go back. Keep the chin tucked in slightly and slowly come back up. Good. Set 2. Fantastic. And 2 to go back. Good. And slowly come back up. Good. Finding that long line. Set 3. And 3 to go back. And slowly come back up. Good. Set 4. 4 to go back. And slowly come back up. Set 5. 5 to go back. And slowly come back up. Keep that chin tucked in. So the neck's a continuation. Set 6. And 6 to go back. And slowly come back up. 2 more. And 7 to go back. Good. And slowly come back up. Last time, set 8. And 8 to go back. Keep that chin tucked in, so think of the apple underneath your chin, and slowly come back up. Okay, follow me. So you're going to go into a side bend. Now here, really push down with the opposite hip. Now come up. Now as you rotate, push down with that same opposition. As you twist and rotate, as you come back to the center of the way. As you side bend and slowly come back up. As you twist and rotate, as you come back to the center. And again, and side bend and slowly come back up. Good. And twist and rotate as you go back to the center. And again to the left. And side bend and slowly come back up. And twist and rotate. Good. And back to the center. 2 more. And side bend to the right. And pull to go back up. Now rotate to the right. Good. As you go back to the center. Last time. Side bend goes over to the left and come back up. Now really find that opposite hip. Rotate to the left, back to the center. Relax those arms. Fantastic. So that is your opposition. So it's also a little trick question there. Where does rotation start from? So that's something to leave you with to ponder that thought.